Let's start. Today we will see how to implement an autocomplete text field in Flutter Android. Let's see the main.dart file. First, we import the material.dart package. Then, we create the stateless widget called myApp in the main function. This is the myApp stateless widget. We create a material app and apply a theme in the build function. The home attribute is set to a stateful widget called myHomepage. This is the myHomepage stateful widget. Here we create a state object of this stateful widget, whose name is _myHomepage state. This is _myHomepage state class. Here we will design our app. First, we have an array of strings that we will use to populate the autocomplete text field. In the build function, we have a scaffold widget upon which we will build other widgets. The app_bar attribute is set to the app_bar widget. We have used the title variable as the title of this app_bar. The body attribute is set to the center widget so that the text field would be at the center of the screen. This is the autocomplete widget. First, we set the initial value of the field as some text. The onSelected function gets called when the user selects one of the options suggested by the autocomplete text field. In the field view builder attribute, we design the text field. In the options builder attribute, we set up the array of strings as the options of this field. So when the user types relevant characters in the field will loop through the string array and search if any respected word is found or not. Let's run the app. As you can see, as the user types either A, B, or C letters, the autocomplete text field tries to complete the word accordingly. It takes these words from the string array which we have written in the code. So that's it. That's how you can create an autocomplete text field in Flutter Android. Thank you.